Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna cover a cool feature I found in one of these free photo apps out there. The photo app name is Photoscape X, a good alternative on Lightroom and Photoshop. If you don't want to pay more on Photoshop and Lightroom subscription, this is a good alternative to these apps. I played a lot with Photoshop over the years, but my laptop crashed, I had to buy another laptop, and I didn't want to spend money on these two photo apps, so I went on Photoscape X. That's the program here, and that's the list of the editing options. This app has some premium features, but most of the good features here, they simply rock, in 2 words. Actually, in 1 word. So let's begin with the thing I want to show you. We have this beautiful image here. It's a beautiful landscape of a town in Greece called Kirkini. Kirkini is famous for the wildlife and the landscapes. A lot of birds gather there, and photographers all over Greece visit Kirkini to capture the beauty of this town. And I visited Kirkini on January. I even took part at a photo exhibition 5 years ago about this place. But I went to Kirkini on January and I captured these images with my 75mm lens and Sony camera. A lens from Samyang, which I covered on another video. You can go and check it out on my channel. And now I want to edit this photo. Well, at first we go here to this photo editor. We go to color and we have the list of slides over here. Let's play with brighten, darken, contrast, temperature and stuff like that. But now if we want to do something entirely different than the basic editing, there is a cool feature here called Magic Color. This is this little icon over here, Magic Color. What this thing does is it transforms the photograph to something more artistic with a bit of contrast and a bit of saturation. Actually, sometimes the result it's not very good because the image is a bit too saturated, but you can do wonders with this feature. I mean, you can get some very beautiful images, and if you're new to photo editing, you can experiment with this thing until you learn about the photo editing properly. And it works like an AI, but it's not an AI because this photo app existed before AI, so it's not AI. So let's press Magic Color, and voila, we have an image with a bit of contrast, blue color over here, the reflections of the clouds, the clear sky over here. It's a bit more interesting. But let's say we don't like the final result. Go to cancel, and then if we want to do more, let's go here to the slides. We can skip the slides here, and there is a slide here called HDR Magic Color. It's similar to Magic Color. Let's go to lighten dark shadows and darken highlights. Play with these things. Let's go to temperature, and voila, we have a beautiful image now of this beautiful landscape. And we can apply this effect, but we have this thing over here. It's called it's a plant, and it's a bit of a distraction to this photo, and we want to get rid of it. So what we do, we go to tools, to brush healing, to spot healing brush, sorry about that, and here we can choose the size of the brush just like in Photoshop, and we paint this thing here, this little plant here, piece of wood, and voila, we have a clear image of this landscape. Okay guys, that was my mini review of this feature in Photoscape. Go ahead and try it, and you can get beautiful results and post it on social media or on both sites like Fine Art America to sell these images. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, leave a comment if you like my videos or not. I can take any criticism you want to give me. Go ahead, and see you in another video. I'm gonna cover more of this Photoscape X because I'm a very big fan of this app. I even downloaded Affinity, which now is free, totally free, and more interesting, but I'm used to Photoscape X, and for now I love the result of this app offers. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you in another video. Bye.